Okay, students. So today's topic is the electric field intensity due to dipole at the equatorial line of dipole. So now let's take a dipole. Equatorial line means the line, perpendicular line passing through the midpoint of the dipole is called the equatorial line. This is dipole, and this is the line passing through the midpoint. So it will call the equatorial line. Name this as minus q. This is plus q. This will be L. This will be also L. Suppose this point as A, B, O, and from O there's a point P on which we have to calculate the electric field intensity, which is R distance from the O. Then AP and BP will be under root R square plus L square. AP and BP both will be equal. Now electric field due to the minus q charge will be inward along this direction, and electric field due to the positive charge plus q will be outward along this direction. E vector, EB vector, and this will be the EA vector. To calculate the net electric field, we will calculate the EA vector and EB vector, and we will take the vector sum of it, means net electric field. So net electric field E will be EA vector plus EB vector, and magnitude of EA vector, only magnitude, will be 1 upon 4 pi epsilon naught Q upon डिस्टेंस का स्क्वायर. तो AP डिस्टेंस होगी ना, और AP डिस्टेंस कितनी है, अंडर रूट R स्क्वायर प्लस L स्क्वायर. तो जब इसका होल स्क्वायर करेंगे तो अंडर रूट खत्म हो जाएगा, बचेगा R स्क्वायर प्लस L स्क्वायर. एंड सिमिलरली EB वेक्टर विल बी 1 upon 4 pi epsilon naught Q upon, again it will be also same, R square plus L square. So now we have to calculate the net electric field. Suppose this angle is theta, and you are knowing that the net electric field will be along this direction. Suppose this angle is theta. So by symmetry, this angle will be also theta. The component of EB across this line will be EB cos theta. And component of EA will be EA cos theta. There is the sine component also. They are the sine component, EB sine theta and EA sine theta. You are knowing it, EB and EA having the equal magnitude. So these two sine component will cancel each other. And the net electric field will be only due to these two components, cos components. Since they are in the same direction, so they will add up. E equal to EA cos theta plus EB cos theta. Since EA and EB having the equal value, so it will be 1 upon 4 pi epsilon naught. When you put the value of EA and EB, Q and Q, it will be 2Q upon R square plus L square into cos theta. Okay. Now, in triangle, if this angle is theta here, if this angle is theta, so it will be also theta by corresponding angle. If this is theta, then in triangle POB, cos theta is equal to base upon hypotenuse. Base is L, hypotenuse is under root R square plus L square. So we can put the value 1 upon 4 pi epsilon naught 2Q upon R square plus L square into, on the place of cos theta, put L upon under root R square plus L square. Now you can see under root means half power and this means 1 power, and they are the same base, so the power will add up. So we will get 1 upon 4 pi epsilon naught, it will be the 2QL upon R square plus L square. 1 plus 1 by 2 will be 3 by 2. So this will be the magnitude of the electric field. And this is 1 upon 4 pi epsilon naught. 2QL can be written as the dipole moment P. So this is another form of the electric field. Okay, now this is only the magnitude. Equation number 2 gives only the magnitude. Okay, now let's see about the direction, and we will also some manipulate this equation. Since L is very less than R, so L square will be also very less than R square. That's why L square term can be neglected. Then our formula will reduce to E is equal to 1 upon 4 pi epsilon naught P upon R cube. P is the electric dipole moment. This is the equation number 3. And the direction of electric field will be along plus Q2 minus Q. Charge. You can see in the question, in the figure, the net electric field is along this direction, right? Green line. And the plus to minus Q is also along this direction. So we can say the electric field is along to the plus Q to minus Q. दोनों ये जैसे प्लस से माइनस की तरफ जाता हुआ है ना, तो इसको हम लिख सकते हैं इलेक्ट्रिक फील्ड जो होगा वो प्लस Q से माइनस Q की तरफ होगा. ठीक है. And there's one more thing. What is the direction of the dipole moment? Dipole moment will be along the minus Q to plus Q. This is the direction of dipole moment. And you can see they are opposite to each other. So in the vector form we can write E vector is equal to 1 upon 4 pi epsilon naught minus P vector. Minus sign showing that they are having the opposite direction. One more thing, this is at the equatorial line. And if you have remembered the electric field at the axis of the dipole, then you can compare electric field at the axis of dipole will be twice of the electric field at the equatorial, and the direction will be opposite. Minus sign showing that the direction is opposite, and this 2 is showing that the magnitude will be the 2 times of the equatorial. मतलब एक्सिस पे जो इलेक्ट्रिक फील्ड होगा वो इक्वेटोरियल पे इलेक्ट्रिक फील्ड के सेम डिस्टेंस पे, इक्वेटोरियल पे इलेक्ट्रिक फील्ड के डबल होगा और साथ में डायरेक्शन अपोजिट होगा. ठीक है. तो ये एक रिजल्ट आपके सामने है, इसको अच्छे से आप कॉपी कर लो.